Hi, I'm Engineer Vincent, and in this tutorial, we are going to use Autodesk Robot Structure Analysis Professional to determine the forces in members GH, HC, and BC of the truss shown on the screen. Let's get started. After opening Robot Analysis, click New to select the Truss 2D Design template. Okay, now click the Tools menu, then Job Preferences, and then Units and Formats to set units of this project to metric. Next, we should click Structure Definition toolbar and the Library Structure to select a typical structure, which in our case is truss. Let's select this one and then click OK. On the first diagonal, we should select No because the first diagonal is going down, as you can see here. Then put 12 on L1, then 6 on L2, then 3 on H, then 4 on number of fields, then No on continuous code, and finally Yes on moments released. You should know that number of fields is equal to the number of bottom codes, as you can see them after clicking Apply. Then click Next and put 1.5 on D1 to change the structure of the truss, as you can see it after clicking Apply. And now click OK. Next step is to define supports for our model by selecting roller, which is fixed on Z-axis but uplifted on X-axis, and put it on the model. And now let's select pin support, which is fixed on both X and Z axis. But here we don't see the rotation option because we have already set this truss to be the moment released, which means there is no rotation in this truss model. And now let's put it on the model. Next step, let's set load types for our model by adding dead load 1, which is representing the self-weight of the model. But for this question, we will not use it. And then add the live load. After that, click Close. It's time now to define live load for this truss by clicking Load Definition and then select Node and then Node Force. Put -6 on Z and then add. Before anything, let's switch on node numbers and then click on node 2 to apply the load. And now repeat those procedures for loads on node 3 and 4. After that, let's verify our model by clicking Analysis menu and then select Verification. As you can see, there is one warning, which is reasonable since those bars have been momentarily released and cause isolation to node of this truss. And it's okay to ignore that warning. And now let's calculate. Click Yes to continue. Now we have 3 warnings which we can ignore since they won't affect the structural analysis of our truss. But we would have dealt with them if we were supposed to design it. And now click Results and then select Maps on bars. And then set out parameters to be on text and put mark on labels without maps, and then click Apply and Close. Those negative signs represents members' intention. Now, let's compare results from the book and results from the robot analysis. And as you can see, they are the same. I hope you have gained something from this tutorial. Until next time, goodbye for now.